T-Mac gang, it is Tasha here with another video. So you will be eating with T today. Listen, I got the sauce, I got the seasoning, y'all. I got it mild. I got that. Okay, finally came in the mail Friday. I did not check my mail because I wasn't expecting. Let's see if I can still put that. Yep, I wasn't expecting it until Monday, till today. So I didn't check my mail. Anyway, so we got the corn, the potatoes, the king crab, the eggs. And unfortunately, I'm going to do the no wipe your mouth challenge. So I'm doing a seafood boil. And I'm doing a no wipe your mouth challenge. Oh my God, I got the sauce. I had to do it. Got my papaya juice right here. So hopefully I don't mess this up, y'all. Alrighty, let's get it in. Alrighty. So this sauce is definitely more colorful than mine usually is. This is the mild. Okay. Oh. Let's start over. I told you I was gonna fail. I already semi-wiped my mouth, so. But we're gonna start over. But I got some de-shelled, and then I still got some in the shell. So I de-shelled some, and then I was like, I'm gonna let, cause some people like it when people de-shell on screen. So I'm giving you guys the best of both worlds, cause y'all gonna see me dig right in, and then you're gonna see me break it up. You know what I mean? So off top, it's good. I like it. It was so easy to make. Easier than me doing all those seasonings myself. So I will say that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that egg. Alrighty, let's get some of this stuff from the bottom. Pour it on there. I did add onions in here. I got the sweet onions from Walmart. I got my my ginger, pickled ginger in here. I got I basically followed the packet. I did. The only thing I added extra was sugar, because although I like mine spicy, I like it sweet too. It's like a sweet spicy situation going on in there. So yeah. I guess I'm gonna make. I already know this is about to make it all messy right here. This piece right here. You know? Oh yeah, that's good. I will say it does taste like mine. I knew it. There's just something on my face now. I thought it was gonna taste way different than mine, and it don't taste too different. I'll say the pop, the Coke does give it a different little tingle. Y'all, I drank pop today for the first time in a long time. And I did it because I was going to put pop in this, and I feel like it's the same. So I might as well at least taste some of the goodness. You know? So I think it's been 3 months since I had pop. So, but don't worry, y'all. Sorry, my face itching. I'm back at it again tomorrow. Back at it again right now. So I don't even buy pop in my house no more. My kids drink juice or water. Look at that. I feel like I gotta sneeze. Anyway, let's do this corn. I did the corn and sugar water again. And I must say that was a success. I must say it was. Look at that. Whew. That is good. Shout out to blove for this smackalicious sauce. And she's blessed the world with. I can't wait till it drop again so I can buy some more. I remember when I got the notification, I hurried up. I had to do it because it came to my phone. I was at work. I was at work, about to get off break. When notification came in. And I literally ran, added money to my card that I used for Amazon, and bought it. Literally. Excuse me, y'all. Let's get in these potatoes. Get some of that goodness on there. Yes, Lord. Thank you, Jesus, for beloved. But thank you so much, girl. Because I tell you, this is good. Now, whew, I made it spicy because I like spicy. And I couldn't get the spicy pack, so. I made mine spicy. Oh, I forgot the lemon. I am so mad. One moment. I can't edit. I can't edit this video. That was one of the factors that Dame Dash said. Dang. Alright, well. It's either no lemon or fail the challenge. Sorry, I got some of that too. Gotta stay here, y'all, because I can't edit. And I gotta get up, cut the lemons. I gotta do all that. So no lemon rainy day, y'all. Sorry. I almost forgot the potatoes. I literally almost forgot the potatoes. Y'all, it's in there. I figured either the corn or that big piece of crab leg. Oh, I was about to drip on my shirt, y'all. There we go. I didn't wipe my mouth. I wiped my chin, though, because this grease don't come out of shirts. It don't. Y'all, look at that. I just got ignorant with that corn. That didn't make no sense. So, yeah. Whew. I did get these from Sam's. Excuse me. Y'all, this no wipe your mouth stuff is serious. I'm so used to wiping it so I could be neat, you know what I mean? I almost wiped my mouth, y'all. I don't even like my own saliva on my face. Like, licking my face like that is not cool to me. Let me get you on up out of here, spoon. You gotta go. You gotta go. That corn had to go. It had to go. I know this would have been so good with some lemon. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh, goodness. So, I had to go to Walmart today. Look at that. Oh, man. Ooh, piece of crab leg. I had to go to Walmart today. To buy my lemon and my eggs. Look at that. And my supervisor was like, do you want to clock in? I was like, what? I was like, no. She's like, just for a couple hours. So I was like, what? Because this is my only day off. I was supposed to have Saturday off. I went in Saturday. I was supposed to have Sunday mornings off. I went in Sunday morning. Thank God, because our online grocery pickup be slapping on Sundays. Like, I don't know if them people be in church ordering their food, but like, we be having so many 2, 3 o'clock pickups. They be ready to get out of church and come get their food. I just want to say, if you do grocery pickup and you get out your car and you help us put your stuff in your trunk, I appreciate you. You loyal. I respect that. Because today, no ma'am. I wasn't doing it. It's too cold, first of all. And I understand it's the convenience of not getting out your car. But sorry, y'all. This corn slapping. But look at that. That's ridiculous. Shit, we be cold. You know what I'm talking about? We be freezing out there. I remember I was doing, and I remember because this was yesterday. I was doing this lady online pickup. I didn't know what the hell I was doing. But I dispensed it. And she got out her car to help me. I was like, oh, thank you so much. She was pulling her bags out, putting them in a certain spot. I was like, thank you so much. I said, most people sit in their cars while we do it. She was like, well, I just wanted to help because you guys are doing me a favor. I don't have to shop for it, so why can't I help put it in the car? I was like, you loyal. I respect that. She started laughing. But that, customers like that, y'all the real MVPs. Because you don't get charged for us to do that extra. That is literally a free service. And for y'all to help us, or the customers to help me, I appreciate you. I really do. I ain't touching these corn or these potatoes because that's for my kids. My daughter gonna see this. I usually leave her hints that I did a boil when she come in the door. She be like, Mommy. Sorry, y'all. I'm getting corn on my teeth. I'm doing bad. Let me just wipe my hands. That was ridiculous. That sauce is so good, y'all. Blove, I appreciate you. You doing your thing, girl. You really are. And if anybody see this, that is a Blove Lee, please let her know that I love her. And I really want her to check out my channel. If we can get these subscribers up, that will be the most awesome thing in the world. Oh, very well. I'm not sure if I'm full or not because, I mean, I guess I would know if I was full or not. But I don't seem like I'm full. I had 2 whole, sorry y'all. I had 2 whole king crabs, like 2 legs. And then I had 2 little halves, a big part and a half part. I almost wiped my mouth, y'all. I deshelled 1 half and then I saved another half. It's some more pieces somewhere around here. I don't know where it's at, but yeah, see the 2 knuckles and yeah. But yeah, that's what I had. And I had 6 eggs. I got 3 left. I got 1 corn left. Let me see. Because I think I had 4 corn. Yeah, 4 corn. I got 3 potatoes. And I had 5. Nope, I got 4 potatoes and I had 5. Or 6. I know I ate 2 potatoes. So 6 potatoes. And I got 3 eggs left. And 1 corn. Ugh, my nose, y'all. That was not my mouth, that was my nose. Anyway. Shout out to Dame Dash, who started this again. I didn't have 12 lobster tails and I couldn't afford 12 lobster tails. So I wasn't doing 12 lobster tails. And I don't even like lobster tails like that. But them last ones I cooked, they were slapping. Yeah, they were. So I just informed one of my coworkers that I had a channel. She was like, "Oh my God, it's probably so fun because you know, my personality at work." I was like, actually, very shy on the camera, y'all. I have been doing this for a minute, but I'm still kind of shy because it's kind of weird talking to a camera. And like when my sister was here, it was nice. And then I had my daughter and my niece. That was nice. But it is a little weird talking to a camera, y'all. Kind of a little bit. I feel like my stuff is uneven. It's probably my phone though. But anyway. Oh, it's going down my... Alright, I quit this challenge. I gotta wipe it. Oh yeah, that... Oh my God. Oh my God. I didn't even wipe my mouth but my chin. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my God. Y'all could have told me. Y'all could have said, Tasha, wipe your chin, girl. Wipe your neck. It doesn't say don't wipe your neck challenge. It said don't wipe your mouth. So technically the challenge is still on. Because I didn't wipe my mouth. I wiped my neck and my chin. It didn't say don't wipe your face challenge. It said don't wipe your mouth challenge. I think. Alright, I am full after drinking this drink. Yeah, I'm about there. I'm gonna eat one more. I'm gonna eat one more egg, y'all. face itching, y'all. If I can pick my 2 favorite things to eat, eggs and corn. Definitely eggs and corn all day. Look at that. Don't go nowhere sauce. Alright, yeah, I'm done. But it's so good, y'all. My hair, I can wipe my mouth now, y'all. Oh, that's sad. Oh my goodness. And see, that's why I don't put on makeup, because I been and took off half my dang on face makeup. Oh, that's good. Alright. Uh-oh. Now my blove mild sauce. What? She looks so pretty on this picture. And it says 1 batch of sauce, but I put half. So I have like this much left. Because who knows when the next one's gonna come out. So this is 4 servings per container, which I'm guessing that I made 2 servings. The sodium content is 3,040 milligrams, 132%. So I'm guessing I got half of that. It has dietary fibers, 6 grams. And it has sugar, 11 grams. Total carbohydrates is 27 grams. It does have iron in it. It does have potassium. It has calcium in it. Ooh, so good. It has mustard and celery salt, monosodium glutamate, sugar, garlic, and brown sugar. I think the brown sugar is the part that made it sweet. Chili powder, hydrogenized vegetable protein, which is good because we need our protein. It does have soy in it. That sucks because my vegan friend would not eat this because it has soy in it. He don't eat gluten or soy. Bring to a boil, stirring occasionally until vegetables are translucent. Yes, that's what I did. 7.4 ounces. Yeah. So that's what it says. I literally just ran off all the ingredients. So, you guys, thank you for watching. I'm not sure when I'm going to put this out, but understand it's coming out. I got 2 videos to edit and to put up. So, I'm going to get to it. I'm going to take a nap first, then I'm going to get to it. Oh, snap. I did a 30-minute video. I usually don't take this long. All right, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Hit that notification button so you'll know every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.